breaking news, ito mainit-init pa. Philippines SEC issues advisory against Binance for unauthorized operations. Aba, this move comes just after the SEC recently said it will start naming unlicensed exchanges in its advisories going forward, as well as working with the NTC to block access to the exchanges website. Yes, Kuyang, to answer your question, that is very, very, very possible. Okay, no? So, but meron yan mga ano ba tawag na? Meron yan consultation sa mga shareholders. Is now it will depend on Binance and other exchanges if they will comply. No, so usually naman yan merong merong mga preliminary processes, no? Mag-a-ask din sila ng site doon sa mga exchanges, no? So bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, ano pwede natin gawin moving forward, no? So magko-cooperate pa yan muna. Now it will depend with those exchanges kung magko-comply sila. Okay, but definitely mabibigyan yan ng chance, no, to comply. Okay, so now ano ngayon ang pwedeng mangyari sa atin, no? So the blocking of websites ng NTC. So actually we're all here naman, 'di ba, mga adults. Alam nyo na kung paano ang gagawin diyan dapat. Okay, so if that happens, syempre most probably ayaw mo nang gamitin kasi naka-block na dito sa atin. Let's say naka-block na dito sa country natin. But there are ways naman to still get your funds, no, to access yung website, to access the app, no. So pwede pa rin naman, but it will not be advisable na to use, no. So better use other exchanges. Okay, kung mangyayari yan, no. So but before naman nila yan sabihin, no, meron naman yan most probably a prescribed period dahil para naman nilang hinolda, para naman nilang hinijack yung pera natin kapag bigla-bigla nilang ilalak yan. So they will not do that. There will be a warning, there will be consultations. Okay, hindi yan basta-basta din. Okay, so kung yes, there is reason to be alarmed, no, so sabi nga nila lamang ang laging handa, para Boy Scout, 'di ba? So ngayon pa lang magtingin-tingin na ng ibang exchange, no. So pili kayo ng ibang mga exchanges diyan, no. So it will be good if you get verified, no. So kasi para hindi na kayo magka-problema sa lumaon, no? Mas madali na kayong makapaglilipat kung sakasakali, no. So hindi yung kung kailan nandiyan na nag-issue na ng memo tsaka ka palang maghahanap. Okay, so it pays to be proactive, kasi yung ating mga pera, mga investment natin dito, pinaghirapan natin. So maging proactive ka, maghanap ka na pwede mong paglipatan. So now nandyan yung mga exchanges, no. So open on some or all of those exchanges. Pwede mo ikalat, retain kung saan ka komportable mag-trade, doon ka mag-trade. Okay, so pag nangyari yung itong sinasabi ng Bitpinas, sinasabi ng SEC, ng NTC na ibablock nila, you're ready. Hindi ka kakapa-kapa pag dumating yung araw. Mag-ready na kayo. Hanap-hanap na iba exchanges.